I want to show you how to do these super cool, like slow motion slash jump cut type of movement. So you can look super cool on your reels and on your TikToks. So the first thing you're going to do is have whatever video that you're going to take, whether that's you walking or doing something, getting out of the car. And then the next thing you do is press on speed. And where you go is curve. Okay. So that's where you go. And that gives you that either slow or fast. And these are pre made. You can definitely do your own. But as you see, I have this one. It goes fast, slow, and then fast. So, however it is that you decide to do it, it's super cool. It's so simple. And it doesn't necessarily have to be this long. Obviously, 15 seconds is so much. But with custom, when you press edit, here you can do your little cuts. So for example, right here, I'm gonna add a beat, and then add a beat. See, so this is what it would look like. How cool is that? So that is how you do your slow-mo, fast-mo type of video. So you can look super cool on your reels and your TikToks.